going to the next video.
We are at the Hot Pit Autofest test day here at Orange Show Speedway. Got some cool cars. TJ Hunt, his car right here. He's gonna be here today. We got this really nice S13 that's here today. I'm gonna be drifting my C6 Z06. A lot of cool people here, a lot of cool cars. Not gonna be too crazy packed, I don't think, unless people are gonna show up here late. But people who are supposed to be here, they're supposed to be here by like 3:30. So it's almost 3:30. They're not here, they're not here. But yeah, a lot of cool cars here. Gonna be some tandems and stuff. I'm not gonna tandem because I don't have a cage on my car, but it's all good. Some BMWs, Mustangs, all that stuff. A lot of Beamers. What's that? Beamer, S13, S14. Supra. Very nice Supra. That thing is sick. Wide body. I need to step up my wide body game. This thing is cool. Super cool. I'm gonna go through and check out all these cars a little bit more in depth as the day goes on. Right now I need to get unloaded and start getting ready. Everybody's in their pits. It is a hot one today. I wish I had some shade somewhere. Viper that's here. That's from Dean Carnage. He brought his Viper. I don't think this is his actual pro car. This is probably his test one, practice one, I believe. I'm pretty sure. 350Zs here, 370Zs, all that fun stuff here. Got everything. It's gonna be a fun day. Drivers already have gone out on track and done some laps. I just got done unloading my car, checking the oil, adding some oil, doing what I gotta do to get my car prepped, and I'm about to take my car on track here in a moment, get a couple laps in, wait till it cools down a little bit, and then start ripping it up some more. A pretty cool day. A lot of cool people here. We got some Formula Drift Pro drivers here. We got some Pro 2 drivers. We got some people trying to make it up to that level. And then you got me, NASCAR guy, just jumping in a C6 Z06 and drifting with these guys. So anyways, gonna have some fun today. I'll be doing some solo runs. Maybe I get a chance to tandem a little bit. We'll see. This is my first time really kind of running a competition style track, and it's an oval. You know, I'm used to these ovals. I've actually raced here at Orange Show Speedway before. Raced here a couple times in the NASCAR K&N Pro Series West. I've actually had a top 10 finish once. Gonna go out here and have some fun, see how the car does. Should be good. Man, a lot of great cars out here. Everybody's drifting, sending it. 350Zs, M3s. That Mazda right there is like a probably a 3 or 4 rotor, something crazy. Look at him. Get it. Get it. There you go. Yeah. Send it. Send it, send it, send it. It's cool out here getting practice in with a lot of great drivers. I do 2 laps and let my car chill for a little bit. This thing is absolutely mental. Crazy sounding car. This thing is a beast. Big old turbo. They got these Subis here. You got Mark III Supra. These Subis here are out there sending it on 300 horsepower. A lot of really cool stuff, clean stuff out here. Drift cars, good cars, bad cars, everything. I love it. Well, they got a Viper over here. You got Dean Carnage. His last name is Carney. He's from Scotland or Ireland, I can't remember. Somewhere over there. Somewhere in Europe, I can't remember. Cool guy though. He got his Viper here. He's gonna be sending it. Let's see how that thing does. C6Z has been operating well. I'm gonna check my air pressures. I think they might be a little bit high on the rear right now, but I'll check it to see what's going on. Get this thing ready to go. We got 3 drift train going on. You ready? Yes, sir.
like, I thought you were gonna hit it. It was right there.
I was getting it close. I was getting it super close. That was fun. That was fun. All right, I'm gonna do my first tandem run. I'm gonna do it with this Mustang. It has RTR on it. I don't know if it was built by RTR, but it looks cool. Looks like it's fully drift ready. And yeah, I'll be doing a tandem with this. So he's gonna lead, I'll follow. I gave him a little bit of room to begin because I wasn't sure how it was going to be, but that was a good time. Oh my gosh. Yeah, now I know in the beginning I can run them probably a little bit harder. Yes, sir. All right, we're doing tandem again, me and the Mustang, except I'm leading now. Let's see how this goes. Good times. That was absolutely incredible running tandem with that Mustang. That thing is fully prepped drift car. I know he competes and stuff. So anyways, I just had a little talk with him, man. Cool guy, super awesome to run with a guy who's out here competing. For me, I don't have a comp car, but we could have definitely been closer for sure. But you know, out here in practice, it was a good time. All right, I'm gonna go on a solo run this time around. See how it goes. Tandem again. It's gonna be me and an orange Mustang, one of my buddies. That was a really good time. All right, we're gonna do the second tandem with the orange Mustang, my friend Alex. I'm gonna lead now. I followed last time, I'm gonna lead this time. pretty sideways trying to control this thing. Oh my God. The thing kind of went into no man's land. I was like, okay, hold it steady. My entry got a little goofed up though, my bad, but I think I still got up next to the wall. And man, that was good, that was fun. Good times, good times. All right, if the event organizer says it, then we gotta do it. Oh my God. I struggled a little bit on entry there. I was like, dude, I thought I was done a few times.
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness. Craziness. I guess the other guys didn't jump in, but all good.
Oh my God.
All good. Been getting a whole bunch of runs in today, man. It's been absolutely incredible. I'm not sure if that's gonna be my last one. I've been running. Oh my God, it's been really cool. All the tandem runs out there. We've gotten 2-car trains, 3-car trains, 4-car trains, solos, you name it. I mean, we've been out here doing everything. Originally, when I came in today, I just thought I'd be doing solos all day, just practicing, doing my thing. But the moment you do one tandem, after that, you don't want to go alone again. You just got to go with as many people as possible. So man, it has been incredible. I don't know, should I do another one? We'll find out. On this next clip, I'm either doing another one or you're going to the next video.